National Institute of Standards and Technology Time.
National Institute of Standards and Technology Time.
Alright, hey everybody, this is Holmes, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Noodle Recipe Time on a Saturday. And today we've got one that came from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is I can't remember what it's called. It's in the title, but it does have wakame, and I'm generally not a fan, but we'll see how it goes. So, yes sir, or ma'am, as it may be. Yes, human. So, we've got this one that has stuff. Wow, that looks really heavy on the seaweed action. So we'll throw that in first. And then we're gonna throw in, not this, because that goes in last. There's the noodle. Gonna give it a little bit of a submerge for a second there. Flip it over. Come on, flip over. There we go. Oh yeah, this is like really seaweed heavy. Slap the lid on it, put that on there, and give it 3 minutes. So, yeah. What's new with me? Went to the doctor yesterday. That was great. I tell you, there's nothing better than having a doctor that you really like to hang out with. I swear, if you know, wasn't a professional relationship kind of thing, we'd hang out, you know. Dude's from Taiwan. I always bring him instant noodles. So, but yeah, he said, cool. Yeah, you're gonna have to take pills for the rest of your life. Cool. Really doesn't bother me taking a blood thinner. 8 a.m., 8 p.m. easy. Just drop everything that I'm doing, which really isn't all that hard to do. Or, you know, if I'm gonna do something at 8 a.m. or 8 p.m., I'll just go and take it 15 minutes before or after. That's a decent window. So basically I've tried to take it at the same time every day. Big, easy, no big deal. So there's that. Went out walking a bunch before and after. I'm still sore. Oh my god. Maybe that's my long COVID thing. I don't know. But yeah, my joints are just aching. I figure if I keep it up, then it'll get better, you know. All the time the kids had off, all the snow. Didn't we have snow? No, I went out walking in the snow. Not as much, that's for sure. But there was the snow, there was the holidays, all this time off for the kids. It just made it really hard to get out and do walking, and apartment laps just lost their flavor. So, yeah, I'm gonna do this and then probably go out walking. Then we'll go out shopping. Yeah. So that's like the extent of my day. And yeah, I don't know if you noticed, but there's a new light. I was sitting in the cupboard. I figured I'd turn it on so we can have a festive light. Isn't that nice? Festive light. I could put it further over this way. Whoa. It doesn't really want to go further over that way. I think it's like sound activated too. It's kind of almost irritating to own. Can you see it now? Oh, you can't see it with my big head in the way. Yeah. Anyway, there we are. We have this, that, oh my God. It's a lot of seaweed. I'm sure I'll have people say, how can you not like seaweed as much as I? It's like, I don't know. Never been like really into it. I grew up around it. Literally. I lived around saltwater on a little island called Fidalgo Island. Near the Strait of Juan de Fuca, near the San Juan Islands. Man, that's a lot of sea vegetable right there. Whoa! Not at all pleased by that. Oh, God. So that's seaweed, and this is the wakame. Come on. Show the nice people the wakame. Yeah, see this lighter, there's the lighter green and the darker. The lighter green is the wakame. It's not bad. What always happens, these noodles are as stark and bland and boring looking as can be. I'll say this for it. I've definitely had worse wakame ramen. It was very thin broth. Ugh. Musty. Of the sea. Of the funky sea. Yeah, I don't like that. Debating which one to use. I'm gonna use this one. It behooves me. I'll be honest. I'm feeling behooved. Alright. Oh my God, there's so much seaweed. Wow. I don't even know what to say about that. That's a lot. Can you believe that? It's like so freaking much. Here's your salad. That's an ass load of, that's too much. It's too much. I don't appreciate that. I'm finding lack of appreciation for that aspect of this dish. But there's at least chashu I can put on there, right? That can save it. Let's put this over here. Ooh, sparky. That's good. A little bit of mung bean sprout. Add to the starkness of this. Maybe it'll make the noodle look a little less stark with some. Maybe I'll put it over here. That's a mistake. Very hard to dress this stuff up, I gotta say. I was gonna put an egg in it, but I don't wanna. No, I gotta use it. It needs use, so egg, you're on board, egg. Come on, join the party, egg. Oh, you're looking a little. Oh, okay, never mind. I try to just make eggs now to use. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And. There. This funny little light, it creaks. So, pardon me. Sesame seed. I just ground up a ton of spring onion, so I'm gonna add some of that. And a little shichimi right about there. I'm calling that a day. It is seafood. I should add a this. I've got a this to add. There you go. Little narutomaki, a little fish cake. There you go. Look at that egg. Look at that egg! Excuse me. Alright. Thanks for watching. The next one we got is the 7 Select Pasta Cup from 7-Eleven, but from the US. You find stuff like these special 7-Eleven items over in Japan, Taiwan. 7-Eleven's everywhere, but actually did you know the headquarters for 7-Eleven is now in Japan? Not in the US. I'm sure it started here, but yeah, this is a cheese and herbs pasta cup. So yeah, we'll give that a try tomorrow. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.